And good morning, everyone. Welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading, and making money with trading foreign exchange and prop trading. That's where the firms give you their money to trade with. Of course, they're not going to give it to you right off the bat, but let's go ahead and get into the risk disclaimer screen since I'm in the United States, and I need to tell people this. This channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. Henry, the Forex trading parakeet, agrees. I am a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. And here's the CFTC risk disclosure. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, carefully consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. All right, so with that, let's go straight into what's going on these days. So these days, this is the back end of where we have my prop trading challenge. As you can see, I did not do very well yesterday. I lost about 210. That's what that says. I actually lost a little bit more than that, I think. So that is not impressive. I'm still not on the way to 210. Still not on the way to going where I would like to go. However, we have passed all of the challenges except for the profit challenge. So that is the thing. My system works as far as all the other challenges goes. However, it's not profitable yet. So I'm still working on that. From there, we go to what's going on in the markets today. First, let's look at the trading platform. Yesterday, I was showing a profit of 6 something. Today, I'm showing a profit of 76 something. So that's not good. So I did lose some money yesterday. Waiting for an event that never happened. So that's why you don't trade the news, because you're trading events that may not ever even happen. The Governor Wade's speech did not happen. In fact, it was canceled or moved or something. I guess it was just threatened. So that did not work out at all for me. So those trades did not work out. I was expecting gold to drop some more too, and it didn't either. Henry found something to play with over here, making a little noise. There you go. There you go. Is that better? Okay, where do we go from here? So I don't have any open positions right now. I closed out my other open position over here. I did not. Yeah, it was showing 154 earlier, so now it's showing 45. It's going in the wrong direction, so we're going to go ahead and take that trade out too. Don't know what we've got for open trades. Open trades got a sell stop on the yen, dollar yen at 30. Keep that as a precaution. Okay. Because I'm expecting a rebound, I just don't know when. Then again, there could not be a rebound. That would be even more telltale. But the trend is starting to taper off a little bit, as you can see. Let's go straight into this part. Go to the DXY. See what the DXY is doing. It's just trucking right along. Spreading into a little bit of resistance, but it's still in the buy range right here between those two Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands are still pretty wide, so there's still money going into the into this. So the DXY is still going up, which means everything else should be going down. Well, the euro versus the dollar is kind of tapered off a little bit from its vast decline from the French guys putting in their resignations. Don't blame them. Let's see, not a whole lot to talk about here. Dollar versus the yen suddenly goes still. So we have a range from 147 to 142. It's 400 pip range thereabouts. We're going to go from high to where it started. So it's not even coming down at the 78.6 level. So this is starting to tell me this is not going to pull back much at all. So I need to be thinking about getting on top of it again. Maybe 142.9. Again, it's still a little leery of what's going on. Apparently I wasn't leery yesterday. I had a bunch of small losses yesterday where it started bouncing back and forth and didn't trend. and so it just chewed up my account a little bit. Let's see. Still in the game now. Dollar versus the pound. It's taken the breaking the what's that, daily? The daily support trend line to the downside. So we'll be redrawing that trend line a little bit later, and probably coming up with a lot stronger support around here, around 132-ish, 133.5, somewhere in that ballpark. So this is going to become a very strong support zone right there, as indicated by the giant buy area on the daily chart. And we'll see if that ever gets down to the 4-hour support line. Let's see, after that we go to the dollar yen. So we've got going on here. And again, it's same story, trying to pull back, but not pulling back at all. So we're going to hide a low on that one. Stop there. Let's do it the other way. This is a Fibonacci type thing, Fibonacci level indicator right there. Let's take this one and take it out to here so you can see it better, see what's going on with that. And again, this is not even pulling back to the 78.6 mark. Usually I pull back to 61.8, or if you look at it from the other direction, 38.2. We're not getting that at all. So this is going to keep raging as soon as it decides to. So we'll see when it's going to do that. Possibly today. I think we're getting some upside trades on that one today, because it is starting to find a bottom right there around 204.26. Looks like it's going to hold. See, my low on this candle is 203.91, so it's holding 204 well. So we may want to get on the top side of that, because that's where some action is. And we'll go ahead and take the Fibonacci. Well, I'll leave it there. So go to the 4-hour. See what we got on the 4-hour. See what that looks like. Yeah, starting to form a nice little 10 top right there, or top, a bullish top candle right there. Usually it's 1, 2, 3 before you get into that. So I'm looking at a 204.63 enter. And I'm still not happy with that enter, but maybe the only one I got, so that maybe the things we're going to work with, because it's above the closing or the opening body of this bullish candle. So 61, 204.61, that looks good. And 40 pips is nothing to the dragon, to the pound versus the yen. Let's see, dollar versus the CAD. That's really tight range. You got the buy area and the sell area right on top of each other, so this one's not going anywhere. Just kind of hanging out. So that would be a good scalping trade, or a good day trade, judging by the range. But other than that, I wouldn't touch it. I'm going to be not in the office all day today, so I won't be doing that. CAD versus the yen, same thing, 109.45. It still went up more than I thought it was going to yesterday, so that's a missed opportunity. Or 2 days ago rather. So that's that. We have the Aussie versus the dollar right here. Kind of expecting a continuation of what has been happening right there. Okay, so Aussie versus the dollar, not my favorite pair to trade, and continues to be so today. Not a whole lot going on there, not touching it. Gold. Gold is when the mainstream media start to pick up that gold is sending a warning. Gold is sending a warning. It's been sending a warning for months now, but now it topped 4,000 in a few days. Down here is at September 25th. 2 weeks ago it was 3,700. Now it's topping 4,000. This is a rocket ship. Where is it going? Nobody knows. Same thing with silver. Silver's threatening the all-time high right here. Has broken out again. It's at 49.66. Good thing I got lots of it. Silver's phenomenal. Also, it's an indication that no one is backing down from buying metals. So we will see what happens with that. So with that, that's all I've got today. We'll come in here and get one in right here about what I said I was going to. About right there. That's a 1 hour chart. I don't want the 1 hour chart. But that's because I took my trades on a different platform, on a different chart. We'll call this down to 0.3, so 8 pips would be 0.3, so 24 pips would be 1%. For 5, too shallow, 35. That's still really shallow for the GJ, but it's keep me alive. So we'll go there on that one, and then we'll do that over here too. Go about here, right above the cloud. This is that one. Give us 1.5. Market execution. Nope. Pending order. Buy stop. 204.61 we'll call it, and the stop loss at 204.42. And place no expiration on that. I'm gonna do a deep straddle on that maybe, because nothing's going to happen today. If anything's going to happen, it's going to be in the overnight, where I need to set up a sell stop on the Asian, on the Japanese trades, because that's when they do stuff, is at night, while we're sleeping. But oh well, you guys have a great one. I will talk with you later. This is all I've got for today. If you like this video, then press the giant thumbs up icon and like the video. If you want to see more updates on when I put out videos, they're pretty much daily, so subscribe. And also the, what else? One more thing. Oh yeah, and if you have any comments, by all means comment, let me know what you think. I'll do my best to reply to you as soon as I can. I do have a day job, so I've got to get off the door in just a minute. But you guys have a great one. I'll talk to you later. Bye.